Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. With a market cap of $77 billion, Gilead Sciences is a S&P 500 company within the drug manufacturer industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, minus 2.10%. Earnings growth, minus 13.10%. Earnings estimates, minus 0.56%. Return on capital, 12.13%. Debt to free cash flow, 2.47 years. Share buybacks, yes. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 4.74%. Payout ratio, 38.96%. Growth rate, 8.18%. Growth years, 6 years. That gives Gilead Sciences 6 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate this company as a position for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Gilead Sciences is modestly undervalued. What's your thoughts on Gilead Sciences in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please leave a like and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.